Yeah, happy Friday, guys. What's up? It's your boy Keep It Real with Andrae, and I'm here, man. Beautiful day at work. You know, there I put in the work, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm there, man. I'm a bad trainer. I'm a bad trainer. Want to teach me the ropes, you know? So, hopefully, guys, hopefully I will be on my own, you know, doing what I gotta do. But
50-year history, we've made and installed millions of quality.
Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, guys, so I don't know, it's a boy Keep It Real, Andrae, man, and as I said before, guys, this is a new job, and I'm truly grateful for this job. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's not hard, you know, it's all about patience, you know, take your time, you know, safety. That's one of the key, you know, patience and safety, you know. So, you know, I'm just here on my training. It's going well. Great guy, wish not to say his name, but great guy, great company, great management. You know, I'm so, you know, happy that, you know, I got this opportunity, you know, where I can able to be a part of this organization and, you know, make the best of it, you know. So I'm just looking forward for a bright future and just being there for a while and just, you know, being beneficial to the company, you know what I'm saying? So, as you know, God is the greatest, you know, because if it wasn't for God, you know, I wouldn't have this opportunity. So, you know, I just want to, you know, give God all the praises, give God all the thanks, you know what I'm saying? So, that's where it's at. You know, whenever time, you know, God bless you, you know, you just got to make sure that, you know, you appreciate, you know, and don't take things for granted. Yes, so, yeah, so that's where it's at. That's where it's at. Yeah, so just checking in with you guys, man. Again, guys, I'm doing fine. You know, I'm doing really fine. Today's my birthday, guys. You know, happy birthday to me. You know, yeah, today's my birthday. But today's just a, you know, work day. You know, when I go home, I'm just gonna just be relax. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm not gonna do nothing anyway. I'm just gonna buy like a small cake. You know, just a little cake, you know? Maybe a little ice cream and just, you know, celebrate it, you know, with my dog and my daughters, you know, and just a regular day, you know. To me, guys, I don't go extra, you know, when it's my birthday, because for me, everybody's different. You know, today being a birthday is like, every day is a birthday to me, you know. Every day I wake up and I have life, you know, it's a birthday, you know, and I'm grateful just to be alive. So the greatest thing is just, you know, me back at work and, you know, doing what I gotta do so I can able to take care of myself, you know, and take care of my daughters, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, guys, I'm not gonna stay long with you guys. I just, you know, just come on the live just to just, you know, let you guys know I'm doing great and the job is going good, training is going great. So please make sure you guys know what to do. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's the boy Keep It Real with Andrae. Love you. I'm out. Happy Friday to you guys.